Hi, welcome back to Baking with Josh and Ange.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our kitchen. We are making a really good, like a summer dessert.
Yes, we are. Something really fun and easy. And what are we making, Angela?
Oh wait, let me grab our handy dandy chalkboard.
Frozen mini key lime pies.
Yeah. I love key lime pies. Remember the time you made the, what are they called?
Yeah, the key lime pie shooters.
Key lime pie shooters. Isabel and I love them.
They love them. I've made them many times. So I was like, can we just, I'm gonna try a little something different. Just a new twist on the key lime pie.
And I said, sign me up, Josh. You had me at key lime pie.
And I love key lime pie so much that I wore my lime shirt.
Okay, Isabel got him this shirt for Father's Day. It's so cute.
I know, it has limes all over it. So it's like,
limes all over
you know
it.
what? I have to wear it.
You have to wear it. All right, Josh, before I eat this whole bowl of graham cracker, why don't you tell us what we need for this recipe?
All right, here are the ingredients you'll need for the frozen mini key lime pies.
All right, remember for a full recipe, you can always go to our website, www.bakingwithjoshandange.com. That's how Josh types.
It takes me a long time. Okay, so let's get started making these. These are really easy, okay? So the first thing you want to do is take your honey and mix it with the melted butter. All right, so once you mix the honey butter together, you want to pour the honey butter into the graham cracker mixture. So we're going to mix this together until it's the consistency of a wet sand, which it's looking pretty wet sandy.
It is, it really is.
You can make like a little castle, like a little sand castle. That looks pretty good actually. Let me just take one more little thing. Yep.
I really want to eat some.
Oh, you can have the fork.
Yay,
All
score!
right. So we're gonna set this aside to use as our topping / crust for later. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to make the filling. Key lime pie filling is really easy as well. So we're just gonna mix all these ingredients together. The softened cream cheese, the sweetened condensed milk, the lemon juice, then we'll add the key lime juice, almost all of the key lime zest. You wanna save a little bit for topping your key lime pies after. Now we're gonna mix this together. And you wanna mix it until it's really smooth and creamy. This is looking pretty good. It's all combined and really nice and creamy. No big lumps. So the next step is to make the whipped cream. Now we're using the whipped cream two ways. We're going to add half of the whipped cream into this filling mixture to kind of make it really fluffy and creamy. And then we're going to use the rest for the topping. I went ahead and already made the whipped cream and I found a really easy way to do it. All you have to do is chill your mixing bowl, take your cold heavy whipping cream, pour it in, put the powdered sugar in and the vanilla in, and mix it together.
What?
That's it.
Josh is pretty excited about this, you
It
guys.
is, because it makes it so easy and there's no excuse for you not to make your own whipped cream now. None.
But if you don't, it's okay.
No, it's not. Make your whipped cream. I'm gonna stick to this. Take about half of your whipped cream. I'm gonna add it to our key lime pie mixture. Now we're just gonna mix this together. We're gonna fold it in.
Here's something I've learned from Josh. When a recipe calls for you to fold something in, it's because they want it to be gentle.
Yes, exactly.
Look who's learning something!
Yay.
Me!
Now it's time to transfer this into a piping bag so we can add it to a muffin tin lined with baking cups. All right, so we filled the piping bag with the filling. We're just gonna cut the tip off, fill this halfway full. Now, the reason I like these frozen mini key lime pies is because we do it upside down. Instead of putting the graham cracker crust on the bottom and putting the filling on top, putting the filling on the bottom and the graham cracker crust on top, because we're gonna freeze them, and then when they come out, they have that little like crinkly design on the filling, so it looks really cool.
It does. You just flip them over, right?
That's right, yep.
That's right. Are we ready to add our graham cracker?
Yes, we are. You want to take a couple spoonfuls of the graham cracker crust and set it on top. Press it down gently right to the top of your muffin cup. You can do the rest.
Yay!
All right, no more eating them though.
Oh my gosh, it's so good. I could eat just like a whole spoonful.
So the next step is we're going to put these in the freezer for 3 to 4 hours. You want to make sure that they're frozen solid when you take them out. Gently peel off the baking cup. Flip it over, and then the top becomes the bottom. Then you take a little dollop of whipped cream and you can pipe that in or just use a spoon. And then you top it with a little lime zest and then you're ready to serve. All right, the frozen mini key lime pies are done.
They're so cute.
Look at this. And the cool thing is that you can make these way ahead of time. These will last and stay fresh in the freezer for like a month.
Look how cute they are.
All right, thank you guys so much for stopping by our kitchen.
We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
What a good analogy. Good job, babe.
I don't think it was mine. I think I stole it.
You read it somewhere? Mixing, mixing, mixing.
Nice.
You can use that if you
I'm
want.
gonna use it.
It goes like this. Mixing, 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 mixing. I just want you to know you said cut the tip off twice, and I didn't say anything.
Well, because that's none of that's just gross. That's like bobbit stuff.
Like that?
If you have it lower, then you can, yeah. Whatever. I give up.
What? I'm doing it now. Look.
Yeah.